everyone, it's CiCi here, and I hope that you can take the heat because we're gonna make something really numbing spicy today. 麻辣香锅. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Let's get started. So in a grinder or a food processor, we're gonna add in cinnamon, black cardamom, star anise, Chinese licorice. In Chinese we call it 甘草, cloves, bay leaves, dry tangerine peel, fennel seeds, Sichuan peppercorns, and half cup of dry red chili peppers. And then we're just gonna grind it. So if you can't find any of the spices, don't worry about it. You can skip one or two, the taste won't change too much. You can also replace it with the spices that you currently have. Now we're going to transfer the spices to a bowl, and we're also going to add in paprika into the spice mix. This is going to bring great color to it, but traditionally paprika wasn't used in the recipe, but I love the color, so I'm going to use it. Now we're going to also add in the rice wine. The rice wine is going to help protect the spices not getting burned so easily later. Just give it a good mix and set aside. And in the same grinder, I'm going to add garlic and ginger. And coarsely grind. We're also going to add in the black bean sauce and Sichuan Pixian doubanjiang. Grind until it becomes a paste. Now we're going to take it out and just set it aside. Now in a wok over high heat, we're going to heat it up until it is smoking. And we're going to add extra light olive oil in it. You can also use other high smoking point oil. Immediately we're going to turn it to low heat. We're going to transfer in the spice mix and the paste. And we're just going to constantly stir for about 3 minutes. And we're going to add in the dry red chili peppers. And salt. Cook for another 2 minutes. Now we're going to turn off the heat and just set aside. Okay, so now we're going to boil the ingredients. So in a separate pot, over high heat, bring the water to a boil, and we're going to add in all the ingredients like the fish ball. Well, actually this is fish tofu. And beef balls. And the fish balls. Puff tofu, and boil for about 3 minutes. You can replace it with any ingredients that you like or take out anything that you don't like. This is super simple. Okay, so now we're gonna take them out and drain and set aside. So in the same pot, we're gonna add in the lotus roots and let it boil for about 2 minutes, really quick. Take them out and also drain and just set aside. Now we're gonna add in the spam, BREECH mushrooms, and Shanghai bok choy, and quickly just blanch it for about 10 to 15 seconds and take them out and drain and then just put them aside. In another well-seasoned wok over high heat, heat it up until smoking. And then we're gonna add in the extra light olive oil and immediately add in the shrimp. and pan fry it for about a minute until they turn pink. Take them out immediately. Now let's get back to the oil base. Turn it up to high heat and heat it up until it's kind of like smoking. And we're going to transfer back most of the boiled ingredients. And then we're just going to give it a good toss. Transfer in the shrimp and give it a good toss. Also put in the Shanghai bok choy and stir fry. Add a handful of cilantro. And sesame seeds. Wow, this is super spicy. It looks so good though. Okay, let's give it a try. So good. Oh my god, the sauce. My mouth is on fire right now. I'm gonna try another piece. Okay, look at these vegetables. So good. When I was younger, I lived in Thailand. If you know about Thailand, it's called the land of smile. It's such an amazing place. But one thing is that they eat a lot of spicy food. So I was really trained to eat lots of spicy food. But after I was pregnant with my 2 girls, I don't know what happened. I just stopped eating spicy food. So now, recently I've been craving about spicy food again. That's why today I'm sharing this mala Xiang Guo with you, which is super delicious. Like the more you eat it, although you're like sweating, you still want to eat more. This is what mala Xiang Guo is all about. Okay, so that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday. I like to stay in touch on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook with all of you. Remember to also share these really awesome videos with your friends and family. I'll see you next Friday. Ooh, I'm still like sweating right now, but it's so good, so delicious. Bye now, everyone.